Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we're going to talk about the Milwaukee TICK again, and we've had it attached to the bodgeometer here for quite a while now, and to a certain extent, you know, this does do the job that it's supposed to do. If I am away from the bodgeometer and on my phone I set that to being lost on the Milwaukee app, when Brian walks past it, it does show up on the app where the bodgeometer is located. However, that's great in one operation that we know Brian's got the app installed, we know I've got the app installed, but in the real world, how many people do have the app installed? And so what I thought I would do is I would turn Bluetooth tracking etc. off on my phone and bring the bodgeometer to London. Now, I'm not going to walk around London with this bodgeometer. I'm going to take the Milwaukee TICK off, I'm going to put it in my pocket, and I'm going to walk around London, which is obviously a big major capital city, and see how often the Milwaukee TICK is picked up by somebody else. Now, I think this is a great test actually to really see how many people have the Milwaukee app configured, and yeah, we'll see in the real world whether this will actually allow you to track your device via other people's phones. So I'll just take the TICK off and go for a nice long walk around London. So here we are on my page of tool apps. So I'm just going to open up the Milwaukee tool. There's the bodgeometer. It's got a TICK attached to it as we've shown. I've got it being last seen on the 23rd at 9 PM. Now that I'm not going to uncover with a map, but that is showing that to be in its normal workshop position, so it hasn't been detected on its trip up to London at this stage, but there we go. So I'm going to just change the setting to, so I'm just going to change the setting to missing, and let's see whether, as we roam around with a good lot of people about, and see whether it gets detected. So first location, Tower Bridge, and yeah, no one's seen it. Now I'm just at the new London Bridge station. I just walked past someone who was like a builder guy. That isn't him, but it was another guy who had a Milwaukee circular saw in his hand. Is he a candidate? Does he have the app? Just checked it. No, he doesn't. So walking to work this morning, passing some likely candidates for Milwaukee app owners, but nothing this morning. It's been, I don't know what, 2 weeks now, and yeah, nothing. So here we are, lots of tall places selling Milwaukee items. I dare say a fair few tradesmen around. So we're going to swing past Tool Station and then Screwfix, because we've got some things to pick up anyway. So let's see whether anyone detects our Milwaukee TICK. So just pulling in now. Let's go and see our friends at Tool Station. And now let's go to Screwfix. Well, without any luck whatsoever of this thing being picked up in London, we have come to very sunny Cambridge, and we'll see whether it gets picked up here. So nobody punting, has the Milwaukee app? No one. Yeah, still no one. So here we are at Ridgeons, and they have a fine display of Milwaukee items, which is very good. And it doesn't seem to have set off my Milwaukee TICK. Nobody here's got the app. So here we are, my last attempt at getting this thing spotted by another Milwaukee app user. Last seen still since the 5th of May. It's now the 30th of September. We're going to the Screwfix live exhibition in Farnborough, where I know there is a Screwfix or Milwaukee truck there, and if the reps don't have the app installed ready to demonstrate, then I think we can really say this is a mega fail. So, down the motorway, let's see what happens when we get there. So here we are at the Screwfix live exhibition. Still nobody has the app installed to find my Milwaukee TICK. It's not looking good, guys. So easily within 100 metres of the Milwaukee stand, and this thing still hasn't gone off. I think we're going to call this an utter failure.
Over this weekend at Screwfix Live, it's been a hugely successful event for everyone involved.
So I just wanted to come back to somewhere that's a little bit quieter. Just to demonstrate that if I do enable Bluetooth, which I have now, and then go into the Milwaukee app, there's the bodrometer, which we attach the TICK to, and look, yeah, it did work. When I enable it on my phone, it was last seen at the Screwfix exhibition. And so what have we learnt by roaming around London and Cambridge and going to those tool stores and going to the Screwfix live exhibition in Farnborough? Well, really, it seems like nobody else has this Milwaukee app installed. So if you were really hoping to buy a Milwaukee TICK to protect your tools against theft, or you want to understand where they are, I really don't think you can rely on this mesh network of other people in having the Milwaukee app installed to help you locate it. I think it works great if you're just going to have it with your phone, but then it only tells you that it's within 100 meters. So 100 meters is quite a large area. So I'm really not seeing why this technology is useful. But thanks again for watching. If you have any comments, please don't hesitate to add a little comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it the thumbs down. And if you'd like to subscribe, the button's below. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Thanks for watching.